Thanks for watching Ghost Host Kitchen, and tonight we are going to make a cherry angel food trifle. It starts with our homemade angel food cake. Now my wife has always wanted to make an angel food cake, and this was our opportunity to make a homemade angel food cake from scratch. So you cut that up, and then we're going to make some cheesecake pudding, and you do that by taking a small box of cheesecake pudding, mixing it with 2 cups of milk, and then whisking it together. Once it starts to firm up a little bit, slide it in the refrigerator, and we'll doctor it up some more later. So we needed to make this trifle because we had an event coming up. At the time it was Valentine's Day, and my mother-in-law needed something for one of her church events. Since she didn't have the time to make it, we volunteered. And that's what we did. We made her a cherry trifle that she could take to share with all of her friends. Now, it was a hit. Okay? You can see we took that angel food cake, we put it in a trifle bowl. You can use a large glass bowl, doesn't matter. And then we took that cheesecake pudding and lightened it up, made it go a little further with some Cool Whip. We call it whip topping, but it's Cool Whip. You can see it right there on the tub. Mix that all together and then just layered it in on top of the angel food cake. And then after that, topped it with our cherry pie filling that had been mixed with cherry juice. You saw that in the instructions a minute ago. So you just spread that around. Let me tell you, everybody there loved it. You alternate those cherries and then some more angel food cake and then some more pudding and then some more cherries till you get to the top of your bowl. When we dropped it off, they invited us to stay and enjoy some with them. This recipe is also very easy. If you're short on time, simply use a store-bought angel food cake. Just get one from your grocer, and you can make this dessert in under 30 minutes. Everyone has loved this dessert, and we think that you'll love it as well. We think your guests will love it. So do us a solid, give us a like, a subscribe, and hit the notify button. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching Ghost Host Kitchen.